If you've forgotten your password for Western Union, resetting it is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Western Union website. Go to the official Western Union website using your preferred web browser. Look for the login option usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, you will see a link that says Forgot Password. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter your registered email address or phone number associated with your account. Fill in the required information and click on the Submit button. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the reset link or enter the code, you will be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it before saving the changes. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your Western Union account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Western Union customer support for further assistance.